I am going to make one bot for technical recruitment data purpose. If you require different technical people data on the time you have to use this bot, and simply you get all the data depends upon your requirement. So for that first we have to create one bot. So I keep name take underscore data, and in description I have to mention data. After that I will create, and it will take some time. So here we will open main workflow, and first I have to take one flowchart. After that I have to take one sequence and set as a start node, right? So here I will take input dialog, and here I will mention role. Depends upon requirement, you have to keep your technical skill. If you want Java, you can keep Java. If you want Python, depends upon requirement, you can keep any technical skill. And here I will mention what role are you hiring for, right? So for that we have to create one variable console k. Again we have to take one another input dialog, and here I will keep location, right? So what location are you hiring for? Location hiring for, and again I will create one variable called location, right? After that we have to open browser and mention www.google.com, and here we have to set browser type max. After that we have to use maximize windows for full screen, and after we have to take a right line, and here we will mention all these things like role plus for speech we have to use this colors location underscore colors initial three profiles site for site we have to use www.linkedin.com, right? So from here we will take and we have to copy or um, after we have to take one type into so for that once we open Google it's fine. So We select all, copy, and we have to paste it here. Plus enter. So we have to debug this. But now we get all the data. So here I will mention RPM and date record, location India. Yeah. So right now we get all the data from Wave. So after we have to scrap all the data through data scraping. So for that we have to click data scraping, and after we have to click next button, and we have to select first one like Nikhil Jose, and we have to again click next button and we have to select next. So here we get configure column, extract text column name, extract URL, and URL column number. Depends upon requirement. If you want URL, you can click here. If you don't want URL, you can skip this. But right now we want URL also. So here we can change, depends upon requirement. You have to change name and URL name. So I have mentioned employee underscore name, and here I have mentioned emp underscore URL. Okay, and after we have to click next button. So see here we get all the data whatever in this page. So in this page we have get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 data. So hope here 11 data is there. Yeah. So after we can choose maximum number of result. Here we already get 100 data, but if you want more than 100 you have to choose 0. Either you have to fix data. If you want 10 20 30, depends upon requirement, you have to choose numbers of results. So right now we want all the data whatever in web. So for that we have to choose 0, and after we have to click finish button. If you want multiple page data, so for that we get one pop-up, is there data spanning multiple page. If you want you can click yes. If you don't want you can click no. So here we want all the data, that's why we have to click yes button, and we have to go in next page here. So I have select next and click here. So here we get all the data, and I have got this data and paste it here. After that we have to take one open Excel application scope. Here we can keep get all the data. So for that we have to select Excel. So for in this project we don't have any Excel, so first we have to create one Excel data. So here I will mention Excel name, take underscore data one. So here I will select and open. After that we have to take one activity called write range. Okay, in that then no need to select A1, A2, B2 because we want multiple data. So for multiple data, we no need to take any, and here we can choose Excel extract data table. So hope now we didn't get any. And one more thing is that in type into we have to select alter disable, click before typing, and empty field. And now we want to try to debug this bot. So hope we get all the data, whatever in our creative logo India. In Google page limit is 30, so we get all 30 pages data. Yeah, so right now we completed, and once we check, here we get all the data. Whatever data in Google, we get all the data. And hope 298 data is there. So we get all the data. 295. Okay. And one more thing is that here we didn't get EMP name and EMP URL due to I have not mentioned here that if you want headers, you can click here. If you click here, you can get header. Thank you. Thank you very much.